When the night is cold and the road feels long, when the weight of the world pulls your soul down strong, you're the spark in the dark, the light breaking through.
Hello there guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, you'll learn exactly how to turn your ideas into full songs using SUNO and ChatGPT. No musical experience required. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to head over to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, we are going to give it the following prompt. We're going to say that you are a songwriter joined by an expert music composer and a professional SUNO prompt engineer. I want you to write song lyrics inspired by Annie's song by John Denver. Chorus and verses must be clearly shown in the song structure. We're going to run this command and we're going to wait for ChatGPT to come up with the prompt for our song. The title, You Are My Quiet Place. And here is the verse 1, the chorus, verse 2, a chorus, a bridge, and then there is a chorus repeat. It says, now, would you like me to create a SUNO optimized prompt to turn these lyrics into a song automatically? I can make one of a chosen genre, tempo, and mood. Now, first, what we're going to do is we are going to copy all of this information here. We're going to copy that. And now we're going to go to SUNO. Now, SUNO, in my opinion, is a great platform for music lovers who want to create music. I really been using it for quite some time now. The plans are quite generous. It doesn't really take a lot of credit to create, very long and very complex songs. There is a studio editor where you can regenerate tracks. We're not going to go into the advanced features of SUNO, but my aim is to show you how the basics of creating a song. And in later videos, I will also show you how you can create a full musical video rather than just a song. So the first thing we're going to do here, we are going to go to Create. And then from the Create menu, we're going to see here, there is lyrics, there is style, there is advanced options. Let me expand this. Here you can select the vocal gender, male or female. There is also the weirdness, style, influence that you can manipulate. And you can also add a song title for your song. You can also add your own audio. That's what I normally do. I click on record, and then I record my songs on my instrument, and then kind of play with it here in SUNO. But for this tutorial, we are going to stick to the lyrics here that we've generated. So we're going to paste the lyrics here. Now we have the entire lyrics of our song. Now for the style, we can ask ChatGPT to give us the SUNO style, but first I'm just going to put like a classical here so you can add it. And then maybe we can go and say, no, definitely not combat. Maybe we can say country, right? And then you can click here on this little wizard, and SUNO will come up with a style based on the keywords that you've selected. So we are going to come back here to ChatGPT. We're going to copy the song name or title. We're going to come back here and add it here and paste it. Now you can select either a male or female. You can have as many trials as you like. It only takes about 10 credits every time. So very, very generous in terms of the credit that they provide you with to play with. So the first one here, we're not going to select anything. We're just going to click on the two. We're not going to select male or female. We're just going to let it do. And with every iteration, it will create a couple of songs. So I'm going to go ahead and click here on Create. And now SUNO is creating, as you can see here, You Are My Quiet Place. Make sure, by the way, that you select the 4.5 plus, because this is going to give you the best results. So now we have the song. As you can see, it has also created a thumbnail for your song. You can change this later when you publish the song. You can add all kinds of details. But very quickly here, let's take a listen to what SUNO has created thus far. It's pretty cool, isn't it?
You fill up my mornings like sunlight through pine.
Okay, so this is the first iteration, and this is the second iteration. Notice how the words are actually inspired by Annie's song, if you know that song.
You fill up my mornings
I like that.
like sunlight through pine, soft as the river.
All right, so you have seen now how simple it is to create the song, the lyrics, and the result is a very professional grade music, lyrics, and composition. And now we're going to go back to ChatGPT and spice things up a little bit. And we're going to come down here and say, yes, give me the SUNO optimized prompt. So we're just here going to say yes, and now it's going to give you like the full SUNO prompts. We don't want this in VB.NET, obviously. So we're going to say, just give me this in paragraph format. All right, now you'll notice that this is quite long for SUNO. It is very detailed. It says create a heartfelt acoustic folk music with soft country undertones inspired by John Denver. My Quiet Place, and so on. So this is way too long. So I'm going to say, please optimize this. I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to just give me the SUNO style and make sure that it is not too long. All right, so here is the instruction for ChatGPT. Give me the SUNO style and make sure it is not too long. We're going to run this here. And now it's going to give me, all right, so create a warm acoustic folk song with soft country undertones. So we are going to pick this up here, and we are going to copy that and go to the SUNO styles. We're going to remove that, and we're going to paste the one created by ChatGPT, and we're going to click here on Create once more. Notice now that SUNO is going to create two completely different variations based on this new style. And now you have also a different thumbnail just to distinguish this from the previous ones. And we are going to now play those two and see what difference does it make when we actually take the style from ChatGPT. It has followed the style.
You fill up my mornings like sunlight through pine.
Pretty nice.
Soft as the river, you run through my mind. Your laughter's a meadow where wildflowers grow.
All right, so that's the first iteration, and here is the second one.
Fill up my mornings like sunlight through pine. Soft as the river, you run through my mind. Your laughter's a meadow.
So here you can see how it is very simple to create some very, very beautiful songs that are original. And by the way, SUNO gives you the full right to publish your music anywhere you want, as long as those songs were produced during your subscription period. So anything that you produce during subscription period, you are allowed to post it anywhere you want on social media, YouTube, TikTok, anywhere you like. And this is, ladies and gents, a very, very basic introduction to creating songs and composing music with SUNO and ChatGPT. In our next music tutorial, I am going to show you something a little bit more complex. I'm going to show you how to record your own instrument and then take the lyrics that you sing into SUNO. So this is the very first. I really just wanted to show you how it works, and I hope that you have found this tutorial to be useful. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and enable the notifications so that you receive the latest tutorial videos from the Gennovate channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.